Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Earth Day cookies, which are sugar cookies that we use blue and green food coloring to make look like the Earth. So let's get started. So for this recipe, we're going to need 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of butter, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, plus a little bit more for rolling your sugar cookie, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And that's what we're going to use to make our sugar cookies from scratch. Or you can also just use a box or a bag of sugar cookie mix. And we're also going to need blue and green food coloring. So let's get started on our cookies. So first we're going to start with a large bowl here, and we're going to add in our butter. So you want to make sure your butter is nice and softened. You want to make sure that if you take a spoon that you can press into it nice and easily, but you don't want it to be melted. If your butter is melted, it's going to be a lot stickier and a lot harder to make your cookies. So add your butter in, and you can squish it up a little bit. See how nice and easily that squishes? And if your butter has been in the refrigerator or is really hard, you can also pop it in the microwave just for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's nice and soft, but not melted. So it's squished up a little bit. There we go. And next we're going to add in our sugar. So we want to add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. So 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of sugar. And go ahead and mix that together. Squish it all up. You can also use a hand mixer for this part of the recipe, just to make your butter nice and fluffy, but you can also use just a spoon and your hands. All right, that looks pretty good. Nice and mixed, fluffy looking. So next we're gonna add in our egg. So we're going to add in 1 whole egg plus 1 egg yolk. So you should have 2 yolks and 1 full egg of the egg white. There we go. And mix that in there too. All right, looking pretty good so far. So next, we're going to add in our vanilla. So we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of our vanilla extract. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix that up again until everything is well combined. Well, here it is, all nice and mixed up together. So next we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So we're going to start with our flour. So 2.5 cups of flour. 1, 2, and a half. right? And next, our baking powder. So we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Here is my baking powder. So I'm gonna do a little bit of math. I'm using my 1/4 teaspoon. So I need 4/4 to make 1 teaspoon, and then I need 2 teaspoons. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 1 teaspoon, and 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. And next we're going to add in our salt. So 3/4 teaspoon of salt. That means we need 3 of our 1/4 teaspoons. So 1, 2, and 3. Go. And now we're gonna mix everything together. So mix, mix. All of our ingredients. Make sure you mix all of that flour in there. And it might be a little crumbly looking at first, like mine, but as you keep mixing, it'll start to come together. And make sure to go around the sides of your bowl to make sure you get all of the flour. All mixed together. Great. Looking good. Almost mixed. All right. I think it looks pretty good. And we're gonna do a little bit more mixing when we add in our food coloring, which is our next step. So to make our Earth Day cookies, we need to have blue and green. So we're gonna take the dough and take a second bowl, and we're gonna section it in half. So take some of your dough here and put it into your second bowl. And then you can decide which one you want to be your green and which one you want to be your blue. And go ahead and add in your food coloring, either blue or green. Here are my colors. I have my blue and my green that I use my food coloring for, and you can make yours lighter or darker, however you prefer your colors to be. And then at this point, you can also preheat your oven to 350 degrees and prepare a second bowl that has a little bit of sugar in it, so we can roll our cookies in that, and also a baking tray with parchment paper. Right? So now at this point, we're going to form our earth shapes. So to do that, you're going to take a little bit of each color. So I'm going to start with the blue, then a little bit of the green, and you can place it wherever you want. You can kind of tear chunk out, you can form it however you'd like, and then roll it into a ball shape like this. And then we're going to roll it in our sugar. So here is my sugar. Just roll it around, get a nice even coat. And there is our first cookie. And you can find whichever side you like best to be the top and place it on your parchment paper. So go ahead and make the rest of your cookies. Here is my first tray of cookies. And you can also flatten them just a little bit. And make sure you leave space in between your cookies because they are going to expand in the oven. Right? And you're going to bake your cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Here are my finished Earth Day cookies. You can see all of those really cool blue and green colors. And it's really fun to see what colors do once they bake. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Bye!